Worst earthquakes in history. 9.1 to 9.6. Earthquakes are one of the most powerful natural disasters that can occur on our planet. They can cause huge destruction and devastation, leaving entire communities in ruins. Today we're going to take a closer look at the top 5 worst earthquakes in history, with magnitudes ranging from 9.1 to 9.6. So without any further ado, let's begin the countdown. Number 5 on our list is the Indian Ocean earthquake that struck on December 26, 2004. The magnitude of this earthquake was 9.1 to 9.3. It triggered a massive tsunami that devastated coastal regions of Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, and other countries, causing over 230,000 deaths. The earthquake was caused by the movement of the Indian plate beneath the Burma plate, along the boundary between the two plates. The boundary is a part of the larger boundary between the Indian and Australian plates on one side and the Burma and Sunda plates on the other. The movement of the plates along the boundary led to the rupture of a 1,200-kilometer long fault line on the seafloor, which caused a massive earthquake and the resulting tsunami. Number 4 on our list is the Alaska earthquake that occurred on March 27, 1964. The magnitude of the earthquake was 9.2. It is the most powerful recorded earthquake in North American history. It triggered tsunamis that hit Alaska, Hawaii, and the west coast of the United States, causing widespread damage and over 130 deaths. This earthquake occurred due to the subcondition of the Pacific Plate beneath the North American Plate along the Alaska-Aleutian megathrust fault. This fault is part of the larger boundary between the Pacific and North American plates, which runs along the western coast of North America. The movement of the plates along this boundary led to massive earthquakes and subsequent tsunamis. Number 3 is the Valparaiso earthquake that struck on July 8, 1730. This earthquake was estimated to be between 9.1 to 9.3 magnitude. It caused damage to the city of Valparaiso in Chile, including the destruction of many buildings and the death of over 3,000 people. The Valparaiso earthquake was caused by the movement of the South American plate along the Peru-Chile Trench. This trench is part of the larger boundary between the South American and Nazca plates, which runs along the western coast of South America. The movement of the plates along this boundary led to the earthquake and its devastating effects on Valparaiso. At number 2 we have the Aleutian Islands earthquake that occurred on June 11, 1585. While the exact magnitude is unknown, estimates put it at 9.25 or higher. This earthquake triggered a tsunami that caused widespread damage in Alaska and the Aleutian Islands. The earthquake occurred due to the subcondition of the Pacific Plate beneath the North American Plate along the Aleutian Trench. This trench is part of the larger boundary between the Pacific and North American plates, which runs along the western coast of North America. The movement of the plates along this boundary led to the earthquake and the resulting tsunami. And finally, on number 1, we have the worst earthquake in history, which is the Valdivia earthquake that struck on May 22, 1960 in Chile. The magnitude of this earthquake was 9.4 to 9.6. It caused severe damage to the city of Valdivia and surrounding areas, triggering landslides, tsunami, and volcanic eruptions. This earthquake caused over 5,000 deaths, and is considered the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. The reason for this massive earthquake was the same as that of the Valparaiso earthquake that we discussed in number 3, which is due to the subduction of the Nazca plate beneath the South American plate that caused massive tsunamis followed by earthquakes. In conclusion, these 5 earthquakes are among the worst natural disasters in human history, each causing immense destruction and loss of life. The massive power released during these events reminds us of the awesome power of nature and our own vulnerability as humans. It is important that we learn from these events and take steps to reduce the damage caused by future earthquakes. By doing so, we can help protect ourselves and our communities from the devastating effects of these powerful natural phenomena. So that brings us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, then consider pressing the like button. Also, share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. We will see you next time.